In this video, we're going to show you how to factory reset your Nest Learning Thermostat 4th generation, which we've got right here. In order to do this, you need to wake your thermostat up, and then you're just going to click it to make a selection. Now you need to scroll down to the bottom where you're going to find the settings icon, and then you're going to make a selection again. Once you make the settings menu, you're just going to keep scrolling using the outer edge of the device, and you're going to go to factory reset, which is an actual menu item here. We click on factory reset and make that selection. Now here's where it gets tricky. A lot of times if you just click, it will not reset. You need to make sure that the reset logo is actually selected. It's hard to see sometimes on the actual thermostat, but you can barely see it, and I'm toggling between the two right now. So now I've got reset selected, and I'm going to click on that. It says, are you sure? And once again, you need to toggle down to make sure that you've selected yes. You can barely see it, but in person you can. And then you're going to click yes, and it says resetting. So when you reset your Nest Learning Thermostat to factory default settings, it will erase all information on the device and allow you to set it up on a new account. So if you're moving into a house with a new Nest Learning Thermostat, you can reset it and then set it up with your own account. Or if you're selling this, giving it away, or someone else is moving into your house, you should reset it so that they can use this device. Now this is ready to be set back up, and if you want to learn how to do that, check out our link in the description below for a video that shows you how to set up your Nest Learning Thermostat. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.